going to attempt to make some flour out of oatmeal with my little magic bullet thing. All right, let's see if this is going to work. This is going to be really loud. What do you know? I've got flour. Look at that. Hi, everybody, and welcome to hashtag Tea Tuesday. I'm in my kitchen, so come along and see what I'm doing. Here we go. Using natural light for my lighting in my kitchen. Let me show you my magnets. We're in my kitchen, and I'm going to be making black bean burgers today. I haven't had them for a while. I'm still trying to get that recipe perfected on how to make them taste like a hamburger. I know that there are plant-based burgers out there that do, but I don't want to use chemicals. So here we go with my version of a black bean burger Salisbury steak. Oh, hit the like button. Hit the like button. And it will just make a huge difference on my channel if you hit the like button. These are what I am putting into the black bean burgers plus psyllium to hold them together, and the oatmeal flour. I'll be adding a can of the Goya black beans. I'm going to rinse them first. All rinsed. Now I'm going to put them into the blender. So all the ingredients go in. Now we're going to pulse. You want it to have the consistency of meat, of burgers. I end up going for it after I pulse it a little bit. Now I'm going to take the lid off and I'm going to push it down and do it again. That's the current consistency right now. I still got beans. That looks better. All right, we'll go with that. I'm going to use some of this. Okay, there's my patty. And I'm wearing gloves because the psyllium in this makes these very sticky. So I'm just doing this like you would a regular hamburger. See how well that holds together? That's the psyllium, guys. Okay, so what we're going to do to make this a Salisbury burger is that same oatmeal flour that I made earlier, and I might have to make some more, probably will. I'm going to dip it in the flour and coat it. All right, I will get these made and then I will come back. This is supposed to make 4 burgers. I think I need to add more to this or just make another small one. Usually I end up with 5. No matter what size I try to start out with, I end up with 5 somehow. That's what's left. I add it to this one. Let's just add it to this one. This one was smaller than the others. Now we have 4. And it's okay if it has some more flour on it or inside of it. It just helps it bind together. But these are holding together really well. I love that psyllium for this. Okay, those are ready to pop in. I want to add a second dish to my black bean burger, so I've decided to go with French fries. And I'm not peeling the potato this time. I'm going to let those dry out a little bit. Salt them. I know some people, like the real chefs out there, they put their French fries in the refrigerator for an hour. I'm not going to do that. Going to use extra virgin, almost out. Our oil looks like it might be hot enough. I am going to let that sizzle until it's nice and got a nice char on there, and then I'm going to flip it over. Nope. All right, I am going to put the French fries inside my basket here. I'm no expert at this air fryer, I'll tell you that right now. I'm on a learning curve. That's why I do these videos, so you can learn with me if you don't know what you're doing either. Try to get it single layer. And then once I flip the black bean burgers over and have them cooking on the other side, then I will throw the French fries in, because they're going to take, I think, about 12 minutes to cook. I'm just going to put these in here until they are ready to go. Holding together nicely. Just kind of hard to get the spatula in to a round pan when it's a square spatula. There we go. That's what I want it to look like. Like that. There we go. Now we'll let that do the magic on the other side for a few minutes, and then those will be ready, and I'm going to start the French fries. We want to air fry, and time is, I'm going to put it 12 minutes. Hope that's not overkill. I'm going to put a lid on this so the insides of these burgers will cook nicely. These are the rolls I'm going to be using. All right, let's see. Oh, that looks beautiful. Looks like this side right here. Boy, these are holding up so nice. This is awesome. I used to really struggle with keeping my black beans held together, but not since I discovered putting psyllium in there. Okay, those are ready to be served right there. I have to flip those over. I am vegan, but to get vegan mayo is like almost impossible where I live, and it's super, super expensive. So I deal with eggs and oil when I do my mayonnaise. I don't eat mayonnaise a lot, but when I do, I get best foods. This is a honey mustard that I absolutely love. I was given as a sample through Walmart, and I fell in love with it, so I order it. There we go. And then the patty. Whoa. Sometimes I'll toast the bun, but I'm not going to do that today. And I am just going to wait for my French fries to be done, and then I'll sit down and we'll give this a taste test. Love ketchup. I'm going to sprinkle a little more salt on these. I like salty French fries. And I'm going to put a little garlic powder to give them some more flavor. Should have done that before I cooked them. I don't know why I didn't. And now it's time to partake. Bon appetit, guys. H2O. That's what we're dealing with right there. You could put cheese on this if you wanted. You could eat it on a plate without the bun if you wanted and treat it like a Salisbury steak. Or you can eat it this way. Nice thick burger. Here we go. I got more bun than burger in that bite. Okay, now we're going to go for a real bite of burger. This is by far the best one I've ever made. I'm so glad I have this video recording. So now I've got the recipe to make it again. Oh my gosh, this is so good. I know, I'm just saying good because I don't know how to describe the flavors. I can taste everything I put in there. It is really, really good. I used a not beef bouillon cube that's vegan, and I poured that in. You see me pouring that in. I think it's the last thing I put in there. I just took a little bit of olive oil. You can do water if you want. I mashed the bouillon cube down until I had it like a liquid form so I could put it in the burger and it would spread out more, or put it in the mixture and it would spread out more. This is really good. Perfectly done. Awesome sauce. Wow. On my other channel, I noticed a couple of people came over and subscribed on Winter's Place. I'll leave the link below in this video. Thank you so much for coming over and subscribing. I have got 3 videos that are kind of storytelling, 3 miracles that I've had in my life, and then a couple other things that are coming up the next few Saturdays. The miracle should launch this last Saturday. You'll be seeing this video after the miracle video launches on my other channel. And I am doing Bible readings every single day, and I'm in the book of Corinthians, so I'll be in that book for a little while, and then I'm moving over to the book of John, and I'm just loving reading the book of John because it's the Lord's actual speaking voice. I love it. Okay, I hope everybody enjoyed this hashtag Tea Tuesday, having water. with me. Thank you so much for coming along. I hope you enjoyed this recipe I did today, narrated again. Let me know if you're enjoying the narration on the videos. Oh, and I'm super excited. Peanut has a grooming appointment Tuesday. So that will be my hashtag Tea Tuesday next week. Getting him groomed. I'm so excited. Yay. He's a filthy hot mess. We've been going walking every day. We have snow coming tomorrow. It just rained outside. Yay. I'm so happy. All right, everybody. I love you. See you in the next one. Hit the thingy. You know, the thumb, the thumb, the thumb, the thumb, the thumb. Thank you. And if you're new, subscribe. You know all that. All right, guys. Peace out.